This is Chris from Bay Computing. Just wanted to show you how to fix the default browser when opening a link in Microsoft Outlook. And so this is a common issue where if you open up a link, like in any link in Outlook, when you double click on a link, it'll open up in Edge, as you can see here. Even though in my settings here, I have Brave set as the default, and even though I have Brave set as the default, it's still opening up in Edge, as you can see right here. Now, the reason why this is happening is because there's a setting in Outlook that got pushed by Microsoft that overwrites the default browser. So if we go to File, in the top left corner here, Options, and Advanced. And if we look down here, there's a setting that says Open Hyperlinks from Outlook in Microsoft Edge. This is what's overriding your default browser settings. So if we change this drop-down to Default Browser, hit OK, and if we go back over here and click on this link, or website link here, it's now opening in Brave. So now it'll open up the links where it's supposed to go now. So I hope this video was helpful. Until next time, this is Chris from Bay Computing. Hope you have a good day.